Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pod X9, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you will need to turn it off, so we will need to hold our power button. Ignore this. And from here, select power off. Now once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. I recommend letting go of the power button once you see the logo. Okay, now once you see this, from here we can just simply tap on safe mode. This will then obviously turn the screen black because it's rebooting the device, and once it boots up, it will automatically be in safe mode. Now, as you can see, once the device boots up, there is a couple missing applications most likely, and that is because this mode is designed for troubleshooting your device. Now, any installed application by you will be temporarily turned off. Now, there's also a chance that some of the applications that come pre-installed with this device are turned off, but by the looks of it, on here, they do just simply hide those applications. So yeah, I have no way of knowing which are hidden because I don't see them anymore. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is hold your power button once more and this time around select restart. So you just click on that, the device would boot back up and go to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.